Okay, so. Want to go in? Everybody's on back up here? Eyes on screen? We only have like a minute of the video left, a minute and 40 seconds. Eyes up here. Hannah, you can go ahead and press play.
I'd like to have an arm wrestle with Koichi. Let's see what happens.
Oh, pause it for just a second. Just a reminder, you are writing down anything in this Venn diagram that has to do with mass or weight. Okay, go ahead and press play. Sorry, my bad.
One of my favorite Japanese sports is sumo wrestling. We're going to try to sumo wrestle.
I think this is really funny. Sumo wrestling there.
Do we answer that question?
You're really quiet there.
The somersault.
Okay, Nicole, show us your stuff. Where'd she go? Come back.
Alright, that's pretty much it.
It's Superwoman.
What? Okay, so here's what you're going to do now. I'm going to give you 5 minutes with somebody who is sitting next to you, so you should not be moving your chair whatsoever. With somebody who's sitting next to you, I want you guys to share back and forth what you wrote in your Venn diagram. Okay? Share back and forth people from where you're seated what you wrote in your diagram. 5 minutes. Yes, you don't have to move your chair.
Miss Thompson.
Yes.
Miss Thompson.
Yes.
No, he is not.
Hey guys, let him talk about his video. We both have to share this.
But that's not.
So if they have something that you don't, you should probably write it down. Marty, you can talk with Alan about it since you guys are close enough, but you don't move your seat. You guys can talk and forth there. Make sure Marty shares with you guys. You guys are turning these heavy.
I had that property.
But Miss Thompson,
Mass
right?
is in an object.
What? Miss Hopper, right?
What if you and your partner had the same thing too? Like what?
That's fine. That's fine. If you have the same thing, then that's good.
Hey, what'd you get, Gabe?
You got the same. Yep. I was gonna say you can share with other people.
Let me see
your
your paper.
It ain't much. What?
Hey, is this for grade?
Yes. We're gonna go over this. There's other stuff on here, but I'm taking
Alright, I'll
this.
be playing with you now.
And we ain't got it out.
I can really
I'm gonna give you probably about 2 more minutes. We'll do say 2 more minutes. 5 is a little bit long. We'll do 2 more minutes. Take that off your head, please. Thank you.
Logan, what did you do?
Pretty good.
Your phone's my favorite t-shirt if you would have me. But I know you can get it.
Yeah, right around.
Alright, 1 more minute. 1 more minute.
You guys
It's like, watch the dishes. She's like, what? I was like, God,
30 seconds.
Is this the first picture picture right or just the gray?
It's a great, because we're going to do a couple of kicks on there.
I know he can do that.
But are you allowed to eat those?
15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm on 1. Dylan, you need to go back to the side. I'm on 1. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Eyes up here on me. Got a couple people who still have their eyes on me. Eyes up here. Eyes up here. Alright. Okay, you guys, attention? Okay. So, you guys probably came up with a couple things that were similar or a little different. So tell me, what are some of the similarities and differences between mass and weight? What are some of the similarities and differences between mass and weight?
Please, Miss Thompson, I'm arguing with all day.
Brittany.
So, mass doesn't depend on gravity, and weight depends on gravity.
Okay, good. Mass. Not dependent on gravity. And weight is. I'm just abbreviating things. What else? Madison.
Mass always stays the same as weight doesn't.
Okay, so your mass is always it stays the same. No matter where you are. It's not dependent on location. Okay? Gravity is. It can change. Good, what else? What else? Brianna, did you have something else?
I have one, but I don't know. I got like the definition, like mass is to have weight and weight is how heavy it is.
Okay, so guys, I need all eyes up here. I need all eyes up here. I need all heads up. Okay. All right. So, say what you said again.
Mass is to have weight and then weight is how heavy it is.
Okay. So, mass is how much matter something has. Okay. Mass is how much matter something has. All right. How much matter is in something. Okay. All right. Now, I would go as far to put this one in the middle. Okay, this is what she was trying to say. Is that weight is dependent on mass. Okay? Your weight is dependent on mass. Okay? Your weight is dependent on mass. I don't have room to write it all in there. Okay? Because if your weight is pretty much a measurement of your mass plus how much force gravity is putting on you. Okay? So, good. You guys were able to see some of the similarities and differences. Okay, and you see the relationship. Now, I've got a question, and this is a trick question. This is a trick question. How can you lose weight? How can you lose weight? Think about it for a second. It's a trick question. How can you lose weight? How can you lose weight? Raise your hand. It's a trick question. Logan, what do you think?
You can't, you just lose that.
Okay, you can lose weight. There's a way to lose weight. It's really hard. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. He's on the right track. He's on to something. Zach, what do you think?
Take the dump.
What?
Take the dump.
No, that's not it. Brianna.
You like take stuff off, say like you have like a pound or something, you like take some off of it, so you can have less.
Now look at this. I'm asking you, how do you lose weight? You guys are all having great ways to tell me how to lose mass. How do I lose weight? Alan. You can, but he said you don't. If you stay on Earth, you will not lose weight. If you stay on Earth, you will not lose weight. Understood? Understood. Dylan.
Going out of space.
Good. Going outer space. That's how you lose weight. Because weight has to do with what?
I was gonna say jump.
Gravity.
Zero.
G word. What's it have? Gravity. Duh.
So if you go into space, you're gonna lose weight.
All right, 5,
No.
4, 3, 2, 1. Now, how do you lose mass? Tell me a way to lose mass.
Did I say one way?
I can't remember what you said. But raise your hand, maybe say it again. Hannah. Well, you can stay on Earth, but what can you do daily to
Work out.
raise your hand? Zach.
Well, that's it.
I guess technically, but Dylan, how do you lose mass?
Play sports, be active.
Play sports, be active, eat healthy. Logan,
Pump iron.
pump iron, lift weights. All right, guys, let's stay focused. Okay, stay focused. Okay, good. All right, so we kind of understand there's a little bit of a difference. So is the Biggest Loser TV show really a weight loss show?
No.
Yes or no? Go ahead and tell me.
No.
Is
Yeah.
okay, okay, calm down for just a second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes or no, all together. Is the Biggest Loser really a weight loss show?
No.
No. All right.
It's more a math
It's a math.
show. Math loss show.
Okay, so it's a mass loss show. All right, so I need eyes and ears up here. Eyes and ears up here. All right, so today for our last portion of class, we are going to travel to outer space. Yes, finally! How do you feel about that?
I want to be upset.
Let's go. I want to see your.
We're gonna take a little magic school bus ride. All right, not technically. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Have you guys ever heard that? You guys ever heard the fact that you weigh different on different planets?
Yes.
Like the picture showed that we looked at earlier. You notice there were different planets and the weight was different on all of them. Good. Why is that? Why is the weight different on different planets? Why would you weigh different on a different planet? April. Okay, because gravity has a different amount of force. Good. She answered it perfectly. She answered it perfectly. Yes.
So, since like Pluto's no, but that has to do with the sun. But what about Pluto? Would you like really like not?
Probably get there.
We're gonna find out about weight on different planets. Okay. So. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to discover, what do I weigh on a different planet? What do you weigh? And I'm going to help you by doing an example. Okay? So, what I'm going to do here in a couple minutes is I'm going to pull up a chart. Will you click on the one that says planet gravity? Up at the tab, up at the top. That one. Okay, here in a couple minutes, we're going to figure out how do you find out your weight on a different planet. But what I need you to do first is I would like for you, see this chart right here? I want you to make this chart on that paper.
But I'm at a
One box with how many you got?
Can we do it on the back?
Yes, you can do it on the back. My legal pad right there, you can rip a piece of paper out of that. Yes.
Your legal what?
Let me, I'm gonna blow it up for you.
Miss Thompson,
Yes.
how many boxes?
Okay, I'm gonna explain.
Your what, Miss Thompson?
My legal pad. How do I use it?
Yes.
Oh, no, illegal.
I told her that. I had it in her mouth. I was gonna do it.
I'm just going to get a piece of Sierra.
I said, listen, I'm going
No, it's not you do it. Alright, I'm gonna draw it over here. Okay? Okay, so you need to have a column that says, what's the first one? Mass on Earth in kilograms. Alright, mass on Earth in kilograms. Then you need to have a second column that says weight on Earth. And that's in newtons, I believe.
Mass on what?
Weight on Earth. And that's in weight on Earth. And that's in newtons.
What's fun next?
You will find out in just a second. Get excited. Okay? Alright? This next column is going to be called planet name. I'll tell you what you're going to do in just a second. Alright? Then the next one is mass on planet X. And the last one, weight on planet X.
What was the last one?
Weight on planet X.
How much about weight on X?
Sure. Okay, what you're going to be doing, alright, you are going to take what you weigh. Now, if you step on that scale, is that really your weight or is that your mass?
Your
Mass.
Mass, good. So you're going to be finding your mass is what you will do on Earth. You're going to be converting it to what your actual weight is on Earth. I'm going to show you how to do it, okay?
I don't know my weight.
Hold on, I'm going to explain in just a second. Alright, you're going to be converting it to your weight on Earth. You're going to pick 2 planets from a chart that I have, and you're going to figure out what you would weigh on those 2 planets. Now, some of you guys say, but there says a mass on planet X. Is your mass the same on Earth as it would be on another planet?
No. But yeah.
Your mass?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Yes, your mass would be the same on Earth as it would be on any other planet. Because remember we said in that Venn diagram that mass does not depend on location.
Instead of saying how much do you weigh, say how much do you mass.
How much is your mass? What is your mass? Okay, those of you, listen. Okay, listen.
How much do you mass?
Eyes on me. Pay close attention because I'm giving you instructions, okay? All right. Whenever I release you, you're going to be finding your weight on other planets. I'm going to run through an example for you. You are going to be using your own weight. If you are not comfortable with using your own weight, you may use your dog or your cat's weight. But I want to tell you right now, I'm the only person that's going to be seeing these charts, okay? Nobody else will be seeing them. If you have no idea what your mass is, okay, I have a scale up here, and you'll be allowed to use it whenever I say go, okay? Whenever I say go, you'll be allowed to use it. Get ready to explain, all right? When you step on this scale, this is you're taking your mass, okay? When you step on this balance, you are taking your mass, okay? All right, you are taking your mass. All right, this is my personal balance that I use at home to measure my own mass, so please be careful with it. All right, but first you guys are like, well, how do I figure this out? Okay, we're going to use, for example, say that you go to the doctor and the doctor says you weigh 100 pounds, okay? All right, 100 pounds. This is actually your mass, but it's in pounds. Now, when we're taking our mass on Earth and our mass on planet X, what unit of measure does it need to be in? What's the stand for? Kilograms. So obviously, this isn't in kilograms. We need to convert it. So the first thing that you will need to do, this is going to be step 1. Step 1.
Do we write
Convert. If you won't remember how to do it, I'm going to leave this up here though. So step 1 is you're going to convert pounds to kilograms, and this is how you do it. Okay? For every pound on Earth, there is 0.45 kilograms. So what you will do, let's say you weigh 100 pounds. You would multiply it by 0.45 kilograms, which would give you 45 kilograms. And that is your mass right there.
Whoa.
wow.
45 kilograms would be your mass if you were 100 pounds.
I remember.
So which 2 boxes would I fill this in? Raise your hand. Which 2 boxes? Somebody I haven't heard from today. Tamara.
The first one and the fourth one?
Yes, good. On the 4th one. So I would end up putting 45 kilograms is my mass no matter where I'm at, right?
Wait, what's planet X?
I'll tell you. Alright. Then you're gonna figure out what your weight on Earth is. That's step 2. Step 2 is to figure out what your weight on Earth is. And how do I figure that out? Well, we have our mass, but what we need to do is apply gravity now. Okay? We need to apply gravity. So, gravity, the rate at which gravity accelerates on you is 9.8 meters per second per second. We're going to round that up to 10. Okay? So in step 2, you are going to take your mass, 45 kilograms, 45 kilograms, okay, if you're a 100-pound person, then you're going to multiply it by 10, which would give you 450. Now this is going to be in newtons.
Is it gonna be
Whoa.
hard to not number?
What?
Is it gonna be hard to not number?
It's not. It's pretty easy math. Okay. Then you're going to convert it to your weight. So this would be my weight on Earth, 450 newtons.
Whoa.
You
This is your actual weight is in newtons after you apply gravity. Okay. Then the last step, you're going to pick 2 planets, and
I'm gonna do Pluto.
I have a chart up here. Okay. Let's say I pick Jupiter. If you pick Jupiter, you have to pick 3 planets. Okay.
Wow.
Because I'm doing the example for Jupiter. All right. So the third step would be figure out how much you weigh on another planet. So the first one, I'm picking Jupiter. Jupiter is my planet X right now. Jupiter is my planet X. Okay. All right. So I would take 450 newtons, which is my weight on Earth. Then I'm going to multiply it by the gravity force. Okay. So Earth's gravity is equal to 1. We'll say it's equal to 1. So that way, relatively, all the other ones are comparing. What?
It is 2.
We're going to include it on here.
So we have
Okay.
to pick 3 planets?
If you pick Jupiter. If you pick 2 other planets, you don't have to. You don't have to.
So other planets would be.
Yeah, you can pick 2 other planets than Jupiter. All right. Okay. So what you'll do is I'll take my weight on Earth, my actual weight on Earth, 450 newtons, and I'm going to multiply it by Jupiter's gravity, which is at 2.5. 2.5 times that it is on the Earth. Okay. So that means that gravity is so much that it would be pushing you down, and down, and down, and down. All right. It is, but it's pretty easy math. Okay. Then.
Wait, Norton
That
times
means-
what? Times what? Times what? Newton.
That means my weight on Jupiter is 1,125 newtons. Okay?
Whoa!
Yes.
Is there a calculator
You're crazy.
somewhere?
What?
Is there a
We
calculator
only have a
somewhere?
few more minutes. Hold on for a second. All right. Before, listen.
We won't get this done, will we?
We won't. We'll finish it tomorrow, though. Wait. Eyes up here. 5, 4,
What would that equal? Would it equal
3, 2, 1. I need all eyes on me. All eyes on me. Okay. Before we move on, I need to assess where you guys are with this learning target of being able to compare the concepts of mass and weight. So what I'm going to do before you leave today, no matter how far we get, I'm going to collect these papers so I can look at your Venn diagrams. But here's what I want you to do. I'm going to ask you a simple question, and it's a yes or no answer. If you are answering if your answer is yes to this question, I want you to give me a thumbs up. If your answer is no to this question, I want you to give me a thumbs down.
What question?
Okay, here's the question. Are mass and weight the same thing? Thumbs up for yes and thumbs down for no. Keep them high. I need a thumbs up or a thumbs down from everybody. What's all of this wrong? I was just curious.
What's the answer?
You guys are correct, but I'm assessing what you.
No, Marty said yes.
So did him.
Oh,
changed
you
it.
did? I'm sorry, Marty.
Payman said yes.
All right. Okay. Good. So you guys understand that mass and weight are not the same thing. Can somebody tell me why they're not the same thing, really quick before we leave
Mike,
today?
not me.
Somebody I've not heard from yet today.
Oh.
Go ahead and turn your pin. Somebody I haven't heard from yet today.
Are you guys like up?
Madeline, why are they not the same?
Weight is like how much something is, and mass is
Hey, whoa, guys, not everybody get up. Sit down. We're not done. Go ahead.
but weight is something like how much something is, and then mass is
She's on the right track. She said mass is how heavy something is and weight is how much something is. Who can tell me why are weight and mass different? Why are they different? Jesse.
Oh. Weight depends. Weight depends on gravity.
Good. Weight depends on gravity. Got a little choked up. He was so excited about giving me that answer. Good. Okay, here's what I need from you. We are going to finish this tomorrow. Here's what I need from you to be able to be dismissed. Remember, I need your chairs on your desks. I need you standing by your desk, waiting for me to dismiss you.
Are you gonna take this paper?
I will as you walk up the door. Keep those papers out because I'm taking them up.
Dylan, why are you handing on me?
Can you, guys?
She's taking.
Show me what you need to do. Jesse, we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till the alarm goes off.
I know.
Does everybody have their chair up on their desk?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
If there's an extra chair in hand, please put it on the counter.
Here, yeah, hold on. Jesse, I'm putting your chair up. I'm trying to find the hole.
Alright. Wait, oh, I'm sorry. My bad. Whenever I dismiss you today, you cannot leave this room until you hand me that paper that you wrote on today. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I will see you all later.
Really scared. Really scared.
Thank you. Look at the board.
That's like, cause I weigh, that man said I weigh, it's 140 on me. We do better when we get a
Good job. Good job. Good job. Ooh. That's not my job. All right. See you guys later.